This is a brand new 2013 Ford Explorer. This SUV has an automatic transmission, a 3.5-liter V6, and four-wheel drive. Its top features include a double wishbone independent front suspension, traction control and stability control systems, roof rails, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: a multi-function display, air conditioning, cruise control, a 6-speaker audio system, a four-wheel independent suspension, 17-inch wheels, a passenger side vanity mirror, an anti-lock braking system, full power accessories, and a rear spoiler. This vehicle won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.
Phil Long Ford at Chapel Hills is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We're located at 1565 Auto Mall Loop in Colorado Springs.